back in action. We back in the action, boys. Appreciate y'all for joining this later upload today, probably. I'm filming later in the day than I usually do because I've been so sick, man. But I was like, bruh, I gotta film for the NameBran fam. I'm here for y'all. Y'all are here for me. So then I got outside the house. I'm like, let's just film in the car today and get some fresh air, which was a horrible idea. Bruh, it's boiling hot out here. I can't even sit down without my balls getting stuck to my thigh. Also, I think people are really suspicious. We're at a school parking lot right now, and I've seen about 4 teachers look at me out the window. I've been like doing laps around this parking lot trying to find the best lighting. I don't know why I settled for the worst lighting, clearly, but yeah, so maybe this will get cut off. I'm not sure. But if the principal comes out, we'll make sure we film them. And any kids that walk outside too. Just joking. I have been banned from the school playground though from a lot of times when I was younger. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Today we got a dope video. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fams, real Sean Merkin, the game, the greatest of all time. Once again, sick day, chill day. We chilling with you with a dope video. I want to become a rapper or something. I'm gonna be sick. Side thought. Alright, so let's get into the backbone of this video. What does that mean? Alright, so let's get into the cool part of this video. The part that you guys came to watch. Y'all have seen Hypebeast mystery box on the internet. A lot of YouTubers unbox cool things from Hypebeast mystery boxes. First off, I want y'all to tell me where they're getting those, because I haven't been able to do that yet. I don't know where people are finding these mystery boxes. We figured it out for this video here in a second. However, we've done... I'm boiling hot, man. Look at my eyes. I feel like Anakin Skywalker in episode 3 when he hops in lava. Anyway, let's get back to the picture. So we got a Hypebeast mystery box video. I actually asked you guys on Instagram, I think it was a live, like a couple weeks ago, asking if you guys would send me, or just asking if one of y'all would send me a, asking if one of y'all would send me a $10 mystery, asking if one of you got, fuck! I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now. Jesus. Okay, let's try this again. I'm so sick. Asking if somebody would buy me, oh man, you know when you just can't film or you just shouldn't be doing something but you do it because you love it and then you're like, this is a huge mistake. Let's go one more time, baby. Asking you guys if one could send a $10 mystery box to me, being like whatever clothing you want to put in it, $10 amount, and then asking somebody to send me a $100 mystery box, something that equals $100 for me to unbox, compare what's inside a $10 mystery box from a subscriber and what's inside a $100 mystery box. I gotta say, y'all, Instagram's right here and you guys hit me up so many times like being like, bruh, I'll send you it, I'll send you it. I finally just found 2 people. I don't know what's in these at all. I just asked them to put, as y'all see right here, the amount on the box so I know what to unbox, but I appreciate all y'all trying to hit me up and send me stuff. I said no to everyone else because I don't want free stuff. However, I said yes to 2 people for this dope video. Alright boys, so without further ado, we're gonna get into the $10 mystery box. I hope you guys wrote letters in these, or I'll try to find and show you guys out at the end. Also, really quick announcement, with 300,000 subscribers, we're giving away a pair of Yeezy blue tints. If you guys want to subscribe and comment down below and like this video, it'll help you win. We're very close to getting there. Also, NameBran merch drops not this Friday, but next, I think. It's coming out real soon. Y'all are gonna love it. Had to say that. Let's get into the first $10 mystery box and see how hype it is. Ah! Damn, that was heavy. That was a heavy punch. Ooh, we got a Supreme sticker. Thank you, buddy. Oh, that's so sick. I'm really appreciative of you guys. I don't even want to keep these items that you guys sent me for these mystery boxes, whatever it may be. Hopefully, oh god, if there's snakes or stink bombs in here, I'm gonna flip. I kind of don't want to keep this stuff because I feel bad. Maybe I'll give it out. Maybe I'll send it back to you. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And we got one thing in it, which makes sense. $10 Hypebeast out. Mystery box. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We got a hoodie, dude. This is a nice hoodie, too. This is not a nice hoodie, actually. What the f? I'm not appreciative, but this is a troll and a half. That's funny. You spent your money on this? I'll tell you right now, this is worth less than $10. You got a goddamn Maverick shirt, bro. The dude sent me some Jake Paul, what is it, Logan Paul? He sent me some Logan Paul merch. Bro, this is nice quality, though. I'm not gonna lie. It's a very nice hoodie. Honestly, I might just blowtorch the logo or like scratch it off, and then I'll be able to wear this nice hoodie. So that's what's inside a $10 mystery box. Flammable material. Someone just scorched my fire with. Appreciate it. $10 mystery box right there. This is exciting. This is like Christmas. I don't know what to do with this, though. I'm literally not going to keep it, so if one of you wants this, or if he wants it back, funny goof, buddy, I really appreciate you for this video. He didn't even put his name in it. Anyway, if somebody wants this, if y'all pay for shipping, I'll send it to you. I'll see if he wants it back first, but thank you for the content for this video, buddy. Absolute bullcrap. It's horrible. It's stupid, but I love you for it. Let's get into the $100 mystery box. This is very exciting, because $100, you can have a whole whack of stuff in here. Got the 100 right there. Honestly, boys, it sounds like shoes. It sounds like shoes. Leave comments down below if y'all are enjoying chilling with NameBran right now, because I am so sick. He put a note at least that I absolutely cut through with my key. Love you, NameBran. You deserve this. Bruh. That freaks me out. Don't tell me that. I deserve a lot of bad things too. Stay up, Johnny G. You don't have your Instagram or anything? Appreciate that, man. Thanks so much. I hope you're not screwing with me. Let's go, boys. Open up the package. No, 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 no. What the hell? Bruh. You're screwing with me. There's something else in here. There's no way. Bruh. No. Johnny G. Come on, man. Bruh. I'm not accepting this. I am not accepting it. This is like a $500 mystery box, bruh. I'm gonna send this back to you, dude, but I appreciate this so much. Boys, this just turned into like a $500 mystery box. We got the Yeezy 350. I don't even have these yet. Oh, bro, that is so nice of you, but I cannot accept these. I've got my own job. I should be buying my own stuff, but I really love you, NameBran. You deserve this. I don't deserve this. Dude. Oh my God, there's a lady looking at me really weird right now. She's also, oh, she's about to trip on ice. I'm about to yell world star if that happens. Anyway, they probably have bed bugs on them or something. There's gotta be a catch here. They smell good. They're literally new, man. I'm sweating down my eyeballs right now. A bead of sweat coming down here all the way to my ball sack. It's hot in here. Pretty much, guys, this is like a subscriber-based mystery box, and I just wanted to do this for a cool video for you guys. Like I said, I kind of wanted to send the stuff back. I didn't tell them that because I feel like they wouldn't have sent it, but I kind of want to send the stuff back. I just wanted some cool content for y'all, and get you guys a little bit into the channel by sending some stuff and getting a shout out. But this is absolutely insane, man. You guys let me know if this is a win or not. This is so generous. I will be sending these both back because I really can't accept this. I just wanted some cool content. But we may as well do a review on these, man. Absolutely pristine. Actually, let's do a legit check first. And you guys might know, I destroy a lot of things. I have a lot of fake things from Instagram ad videos. However, in those Instagram ad videos, I've really learned how to legit check. Like, I'm gonna say that I'm like right up there with Yeezy Busta on the V2s. I know my stuff, bro. First off, the boost. You can just tell right away when boost is real. This is real. I know there's gonna be a lot of people down below. Just by feeling them, man, I already know. Yeah, bro. These are real. These are 100% real. That is insane. Y'all let me know down below, you little legit checkers, what you guys think. But I would slap a StockX tag on these 100%. That is beautiful, man. That is so cool. That's a $10 Hypebeast mystery box from a subscriber, which we got Logan Paul merch. I think that's a troll. It's gotta be a troll, buddy. We all know how much I hate him, especially after my channel got shut down and he isn't. Whatever, that's some other crap. That's so generous. I love you guys so much. The NameBran fam's real strong. We're making the game the greatest of all time. I love you guys more than the world. I'm so sick today, but I still wanted to film with y'all. I still wanted to talk to y'all, and y'all are my family so much, man. And merch is gonna come out real soon. Then we can rock clothing together. I'll have a meetup sometime. We'll all have the same shirt on. It'll be sick. And then I'll be like, oh, you know what? I've been planning this for a little while. I want to do a meetup, but unlike any other. Like, I want you guys to come and have a great time. So I'm thinking of doing a meetup and just like either getting a bunch of really sexy girls or hiring a bunch of sexy girls, or like sexy girls that are my friends. I don't know. I just want like, no sausage fest action. I just want you guys to be there in amongst a bunch of hot girls, and then we could just chill. I think that'd be such a fun meetup idea. Who doesn't want to be around somebody who they watch on YouTube, and also a bunch of hot girls? You know what I mean? Like, I'd love to be with my supporters and a bunch of hot girls. I just think that all makes sense. It all kind of coincides together. So I'm gonna be there for y'all, man. NameBran fam's real strong. We're making the game the greatest of all time. I can't even believe this, man. That was so nice of you, Johnny G. I'm gonna try to find your Instagram, or at least the DMs that we had. Thank you guys. Once again, if you click through lots of ads on the video, thank you for that. And if you guys watch till the end of the video, say the word poop somewhere in your comment. Don't cap lock it, because people will know to say poop. Say poop somewhere in your comment, and I want to see how many of you guys made it to the end. Appreciate y'all once again. NameBran fam, we murking it. We back in action, back in the action. Blow.